Good afternoon, children. This is your English teacher Anand Kumar. Welcome to the class. Today we are going to see a poem from Unit 2. Lessons in life. This lesson is going to teach you what all the things that you can learn from your day to day. A poem written by Daniel Ho. Now I'll read the poem for you. You please follow and read with me. Having a friend is like planting a flower. Show love and kindness. It one day will bloom. Let's be aware as we walk on this planet. Even the tiniest creature needs room. Lessons in life aren't always so simple. Nothing you are given will ever come free. Even the smallest of gifts deserves thank you. I respect you and you respect. I think of you and you think of me. Remember, everyone here is important. When you are forgotten, it makes you feel sad. Know that you matter and you make a difference. Let no one shame you or make you feel bad. Lessons in life aren't always so simple. Nothing you are given will ever come free. Even the smallest of gifts deserves thank you. I respect you and you respect. I think of you and you think of me. Daniel Ho. Children, let us see what the poet tries to tell in the first stanza. He is telling that to have a friend, to make a friend with someone is like planting a flower. See, what is planting a flower? It is like what all the efforts that we need to plant a flower. We have to first make the soil fertile. You have to sow the seed, and the plant grows. To grow the plant, we have to water the plant each and every day, and we have to fertilize it. And one day, and it will take a long time, and one day it will give flowers. It will bloom. Like that, friendship also cannot be achieved or attained in a day. We have to show love and kindness each and every day so that the friendship will bloom one day. Having friendship is not such a easy thing. The poet tries to convey this, that we have to show love and kindness so that we can get a friendship of someone. And he's also telling that we have to be aware in this planet. We have to be cautious that every, even small creatures like your pet animals, from your pet, non-pet, or what all the things, what all the living creatures in this world, they needs room, they need space. They too have right to live in this world. So we have to give the necessary space for them to live. The respect. In second stanza, he tries to tell lessons in life aren't always so simple. Nothing you are given will ever come free. Even the smallest of gifts deserves thank you. I respect and you respect. I think of you and you think of me. See, he's telling in this world, all the lessons, everything is not, what we get is not so simple. See, what all the things that you get in this world, it has its own value and its own cost. Nothing is given you free in this world. Whatever the love, what all things, if you give something, you have to get a friendship, you have to give something. You are giving love, your kindness, and then you get your friendship. That is the cost of that friendship. So nothing is given you free in this world. So you have to give something to attain something. Even small gifts deserves thank you. See, children, think of how many of you do have the practice of thanking others when you get something from them. Even from your parents, from your teachers, from your friends, whoever it may be. When you are getting something, when you get something, you just thank them. You give a word of thanks. You tell thank you for what we have given. And for almost thing, do you thank God for what all the things that He have given you? God have given you a loving parents, a very good teachers, very good friends, a very comfortable place to live. He's giving you your daily food, and do you thank Him every day? You have to. And the next thing is respect. I respect you, and you respect. See, we all feel. See, wherever we go, you might have heard someone speaking. See, he's not respecting me. He's not giving respect to me. See, from where the respect comes. When you give respect and you get respect. So, you always give respect and get respect. I think of you and you think of me. See, here, here too, many of you think, see, he's my friend, he's away from me, but he's not thinking me, he is not even making a call to me. See, it is a long time he have forgotten me, I think. See, it is not like that. Uh, did you make call him? Did you remember him? Did you go think of him? Did you call him? So you call him, you remember him, you think of him, so that you will get in return. In the third stanza, the poet conveys, remember everyone here is important. Whenever you are forgotten, it makes you feel and sad. Know that you matter and you make a difference. Let no one shame you or make you feel bad. See, he is telling you have to remember it is everything in this world, everyone, every creature in this world is important to you. Whenever, see, when as I told you, when someone is forgetting you, when someone is forgetting you are forgotten by somebody, it makes you feel sad. You feel sad. See, he's not remembering me, so you feel sad. So in that place that you have to make a difference. He is not remembering you, but you can remember him. You make a difference and you remember him, or you make a call to him, or you go visit him, or you just go meet him, so that you can make a difference. See, when you are forgetting someone, it shames you. You may put in shame one day, or it may make you feel bad in this. And once again, there's a repetition of the second stanza again. The poet, lessons in life aren't always so simple. Nothing you are given will ever come free. Even the smallest of gifts deserves thank you. I respect you and you respect. I think of you and you think of me. A poem written by Daniel Ho. The poem comes in, and let us see some oral things the poet have used here. This poem, the poet have used some poetic device like simile. What is simile? A figure of speech. Simile is a figure of speech in which two unlike things are compared using the words like or as. It is used to bring a dramatic effect in prose or poem. Simile is one of the most common forms of figure of speech and is also used in poems as well as day-to-day talks. Children, in the first line, the poet is telling, having a friend is like planting a flower. See, friendship is entirely different from planting a flower. See, both things are unlike things. But he compares both the things by using a word like. So this kind of comparisons are called as figure of simile. Some examples are also given here, as blind as bat. They have a meaning for it. Like peas in a pod, as wise as an owl, quiet like a mouse, as brave as a lion. Next figure of speech is a metaphor. Metaphor is quite similar to a simile. As a metaphor also compares two unlike things. Here, metaphor also compares two unlike things like simile. But a metaphor has an implied or a hidden meaning between unrelated things. Here, for a metaphor, we do not use words such as like and as. Unlike similes, which compare two things, metaphor directly state a comparison to things that are in no way similar. We can use metaphor to explain an idea, but its literal meaning should not be taken. It is only to be used as symbolism. See, metaphor is used, metaphor is also same as simile, but here the word for comparison, like or as, is not used here. Where here the meaning is hidden, and also the literal meaning, the direct meaning cannot be taken in a metaphor because it gives some other meaning. It gives some other meaning. It only symbolizes the idea. And here too some examples are given. My father was boiling mad. It implies that he was too angry. See, we cannot take the direct meaning that he was a mad fellow, he was boiling in madness. It implies that he is angry. She is the apple of my eye. Implies that she is too dear to me. You cannot take the direct meaning that apple in an eye. Your brain is a computer. Implies that your brain is smart and quick. Her voice is much music to his ears. Implies that her voice makes him feel happy. The given task was a breeze. Implies that the task was not difficult. So thank you, children. I hope you all will read this poem again and you will answer the questions given, and answers also given in your worksheets. Thank you.